Let's face it, hot showers are a must. We rely on water heaters every day. They keep our showers warm, our dishes clean, and our homes comfortable. But with this convenience comes responsibility. A water heater, if not properly taken care of, can pose serious risks. We're talking about fire hazards from faulty wiring and the very real danger of electrical shock. Water and electricity are a dangerous combination. A malfunctioning water heater can put you and your family at risk. That's why understanding the potential hazards of a water heater is non-negotiable. It's not about living in fear, but about respecting the power of these appliances and taking the right precautions. One of the most important safety features in any home or building is a properly grounded electrical system. This system is designed to protect you and your loved ones from the dangers of electrical faults. Grounding provides a safe path for electricity to flow in case of a fault. It ensures that any excess electricity is safely directed away from you and into the ground, preventing potential harm. Imagine it like this. If there's a sudden surge of electricity, the grounding wire acts like a safety valve. It directs that potentially dangerous energy away from you and safely into the ground, where it can dissipate without causing harm. This is crucial for preventing electrical shocks. Proper grounding is a fundamental aspect of electrical safety, and it can make the difference between a minor inconvenience and a life-threatening situation. For example, if your water heater isn't properly grounded and a fault occurs, you could become a path for the electricity to flow through. This could lead to severe injury or even death. That's a dangerous situation you don't want to be in. Ensuring that your electrical systems are properly grounded is a simple yet effective way to protect yourself and your family from electrical hazards. Always consult a professional electrician to check and maintain your grounding systems. And Section 4, Professional Installation. Don't DIY your safety. When it comes to water heater installation, it's crucial to prioritize safety and expertise. I can't stress this enough. Call a licensed electrician. They are trained professionals who know exactly what they're doing. This isn't the time for a DIY project. Attempting to install a water heater on your own can lead to serious risks, including electrical fires, improper installation, and even potential injury. A licensed electrician understands the ins and outs of electrical systems and will ensure your water heater is installed safely and according to code. They follow strict guidelines and regulations to make sure everything is up to standard. They have the knowledge and experience to handle electrical wiring, grounding, and other crucial aspects of installation. This expertise is not something you can easily learn from a quick online tutorial. Don't take any chances with your safety or the safety of your loved ones. Trusting a professional ensures peace of mind, knowing that your home is safe and your water heater is functioning properly. Section 5. Meeting the standards IEC and safe water heaters. We need to talk about standards, specifically the IEC or International Electrotechnical Commission. They set the bar for electrical safety worldwide. When you see a water heater that meets IEC standards, you can be confident it's been designed with safety in mind. These standards cover everything from electrical components to safety features. It's like having a seal of approval from the experts, assuring you that the product has undergone rigorous testing and meets the highest safety benchmarks. Section 6. Regular checkups. Keeping your water heater running safely. Just like your car needs regular maintenance, so does your water heater. Regular checkups are essential to ensure it operates efficiently and safely. Don't wait for something to go wrong. A malfunctioning water heater can lead to unexpected cold showers, or even more serious issues like water damage. Schedule annual inspections with a qualified technician. These professionals have the expertise to thoroughly examine your water heater. They can spot potential issues early on, like corrosion or loose wiring, and fix them before they become major problems. Early detection can save you from inconvenient breakdowns. Think of it as preventative care for your water heater. Regular maintenance can help maintain its efficiency and performance. By addressing minor issues promptly, you can extend the lifespan of your appliance and avoid costly repairs down the road. A well-maintained water heater also ensures a consistent supply of hot water. Remember, a well-maintained water heater is a safe water heater. Taking the time for regular checkups can provide peace of mind and keep your home running smoothly.